Third and final call. All done. All finished and silent. No late bids or offers. We sell.
Lars and Desi, faultless, seamless, worked very hard and very easy to communicate. Always communicated with us, which is key to selling a property.
Number 46 Mountbatten Terrace, here in this highly desired pocket of Flinders Park. A hop, skip and a jump from the very sought after linear park track. You've got scope here for future renovations, scope to further add-on buyers, a great land holding here as well for an opening bid and opening offer. Bang, 750,000 now, bidder number 8, we're away at 750. 40, bidder number 1 over top, 850, bidder number 8, 875, bidder number 12. If you're holding back, here's your chance to come forward.
Put it on the market just over 3 weeks ago for sale, and yeah, she sold tonight for a very good price, so more than happy.
Second call now at 904 on the market. We sell away at 904. We sell to you. First, second, third, final chance done, finished and silent. No late bids or offers. We sell. So congratulations, well bid, well bought.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
You're way too
Thank you.
Marketing, the strategy was good. A lot of legwork behind the scenes attracted a lot of buyers to get the very good price that we got. If you're thinking of selling a house, go to ours.